How to fix Docker desktop starting forever in Windows. 1. Check system requirements. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 2. Restart Docker service. 3. Run Docker as an admin. Like this. 4. Switch to Windows containers. 5. Unregistered Docker desktop. To do so, run 2 commands as admin. WSL unregistered Docker desktop, WSL unregistered Docker desktop. Data restart your device. 6. Install the latest WSL kernel version. 7. Re-enable WSL feature in optional features tool. 8. Uninstall then reinstall Docker.